But me tie afedoma ken no ase. Me na me hu de menya me. No we say no we are aware of ECG practice omo.
Akokwa Nhyira say when sometimes discussion ni bia.
Sure.
Ade anya politics kra na ye find way ye na politics.
Sure.
Unza containers Nhyira no okaya MB before na start here. Oh, normal AI flyers. No dey ataban SC containers no say two akona.
NDC eyibo.
John Mahama ba na omama containers need to go. Afi friend na ba na unza hu flyers ni bio.
Ayira
because your politics no oma omutimi ye critical analysis in this.
Sure.
Nti omu so bia ye bibi no peso ye bi. Asama ba. And na oma no mo ka say na NDC for na and I couldn't tell their smartness.
So no be against in the party.
Because now it's not even that. I mean, tears a quarter duration NDC the aba.
Okay.
Now catch us 1,300. Say 1,000. Minister got 1,350. They say the real number is 1,347.
But we also heard from him 1,328.
And no Parliament. Let me tell you.
Yes.
Yeah, 1,347. Germans were over 1,003. It took us a NDC by in and in Nhyira. Now was smartness level. Now I was from Kakramame. So I wanted to look at the data. Now, minister, this is what happened. I'll come to happen.
All right.
We say handing over. Handing over no minister now all corner.
Yeah.
And a president boarding presumptive ministers.
Sure.
Internet say minister no department no brand so tram for need the new government na eba no.
Yeah.
No mu tram for need the John Jina. But I'm catching say ECG containers are a support no. 3,000.
Sure.
It was also a minister no just about a month and 2 weeks ago. And and a documents no ko say containers is when 2,500. And you know catch and say with the minister's mistake on making is almost catch no one kind. It's a quite two figures now. The transition document no the man John Jinapon 3,000.
Yeah.
Or no court them report no document what them report no 2,500.
Yeah.
I got what I say 2,500.
Sure.
Okay. And was say I don't know say transition 3,000. Document up the 2,500. And as I there a professor or a procurement specialist or take committee say won't shim. Now these are the facts. Professor not share name just about 2 weeks ago you share name. I know who say one. ECG a claim say port document and they claim say 2,491.
Sure.
Ti John Japan kan ya catch na no kofie ba na dwunya na na so hwehwem amame akokwa na ye expert onko hwehwem mu say containers and kasa esi port AC jan 1,134
esi ho no
esi ho na kasa na 1,134 ne ayira no 1,347
1,347
yes and those siwa ebemu ntum na asa everywhere so
sure
so it took the committee report to bring this to the fore. Now, what we see, maybe some of the key findings say before 2022, ECG had a dedicated fund that received weekly allocation for clearing shipment. However, the practice was discontinued due to the lack of funds as cited by the ECG board.
Right.
Also, first in ECG, no musika bi omuchato was on the port on the back of clear. But because of sika no money, it's a day we stop here. Now, what do ECG ade away and say obo pa. Say me permita me pe cable ko fa breme a ade ni bedu porter say ECG show say won hwe yo o ye o rezi bill of lading na etua wo ka by ECG ade no aka port wo me so what ase a
enti me ma ko fa ade na ba na Eugene ye ECG
yes
enti Eugene asoma me
yes
set to ade breme ene ma ko to ade na ba but me fa ade ne ma kire Eugene
yes
na Eugene tie sika na ma
ama
enti me se maja ade ne wo port
enti na containers e very big demurrage said right time I saw the clear containers na
okay
enti demurrage of ECG nyama ko port on 1.5 billion cedis
right
akoko bi a wetie ma che bi on my private channels ni ade no ade ma kwa me kan say energy sector no the company odi adwiri mu pa ECG
sure
John Jinapo call vetting no mitie ni ye no when you read the article Ghana your technical and commercial is about 32%. Some bro from say say grid ko Ghana energy sector say that here.
Right.
Your free be generators. Omona eye enyama hoden no. Enti your IPP, independent power producer, and your VRA. Omo we are, and you be Ghana Grid Company. They are transmitters. Into omo de can enyam kan. Omo mo genya ma hoden. Free IPP se VRA wo. No mo de the distribution company. Ghana distribution company your three.
Right.
I'm for this ECG, ECG, your ECG, your Netco for Northern Region. I quite a your company for EP. So your three distribution companies. Now, technically, commercial losses now about 32%. The chance say, answer Krana ECG, Benya, and Greek one say 100 cities are. Waboka 32 cities, or Tom Benya 68 cities.
Right.
I got any. So meaning that ECG has a problem.
Okay.
Now, last year, combined from 2022 to date, they are spending almost about 90 billion.
Just on ECG?
No, in the energy sector.
Okay.
And when you ask any analyst, the real problem in the energy sector is ECG because of Nyama Bisi. Only time because I know. Only say shipment ya buy one sama, but nipa o lead shipment no. Any director of procurement, the director of estate.
Right.
According to report on John Jinapono, nipa so making sure say director of procurement or not procurement say. What's the systems national or no concrete terms akwan oni any qualification in procurement.
Yeah.
But rise by a director of procurement or ECG. Internet say head of estate and a more yes our transaction way. Now that's what happened. The report anybody who say behind and then John started say national security rem no mo. When no upon 40 containers. Nan ma do mo ye. Obie phone line say light dum man for so many meters so many cable no cable na bana nke say ECG ko clear na wotimi dey improve the transmission lines na sa technical no commercial losses here ba form no
sure
enkrofo no be wia omni ECG for na ye kanana eton ko akwakwati. How can you tell any sensible person say containers 1300 ayra
just say
enye mobile phones nyam paboa wo enye slippers container 1300 ayra. And it is China for na yachi na dwuma mo ye ne say omo nane omo ye condemn no so omo de mo ma no man nane cables na board container no back between $300,000 and $500,000.
Sure.
So Sigana some na can between $400 to $670 million. Containers na yera no the value na between $400 to $670 million. No more ma ye no condemn no ma twitwa cable nim ketenkete no ma hye no de aluminium rods.
Right.
No matter.
Nhyira FM.
And Utia Phenomakina. This has been going on for years. Also, acquire a boche crowd movie.
Sure.
Now, how can you run a state agency like this? Kota dia breme. Me and me who are dear na dia bremeno. But I would the old buy and so you me bokas in material of Sikamo. Not the any more me here no. A capot. I want him media. Menye security expert.
Sure.
Ba kokwa sa leak one hu ni sa China for mo nankete nkete sa hwedie. Menye sure so mo nkwa na ye corporate no. Akokwa me ye kosui and now we follow parliamentary process. Me dwen say a syndicated crime. Na me catch me person chin yan say a empanifo bi din wade we mu. Akokwa nya normal. Because akokwa bu so bi a why adwuma port da. So kasa de bia ko demorager. Answer krana wo be ye free port wono krana. The process is cumbersome.
Sure.
Because any the normal process say nyama ba port akọ nyama ni ko demorage nje say ye process bi kra process ne was in the normal process.
Sure.
So how did these gentlemen nyama ko demorage? How were they able to get these things? Akokwa me de enye say bia me doubting Thomas. Me nyini say a China for in kwana shechiri.
Oh no.
Akokwa ECG officials hu bomu. ECG officials hu bomu. National security hu bomu.
Monfre managing director. Even the energy minister, former energy minister.
Yes,
they all have to respond to that. Yes.
Afanyoma must be called. Yeah. The former ECG director Dubik Mahama and your someone. They all must be called.
Sure.
Because akokwa nim. Say the impunity is too much.
Sure.
Akokwa so obenya kokudro. Akotam ECG containers to the tune of 1,347. Chale, say bi obi ko yi ne mu bi ko yi ne cab na bi atu bi afra. Oh, yati ase.
Sure.
Containers bako 1,000 akokwa baba ya akra henko.
Enye no market one ye kan isa no.
Enzese no de ye hu 40. That's what we are being told.
And if you look at almost procurement processes now, some of almost reports are chance on 2022 up to 2024. I say sourcing. That has been the procurement procedure.
Nemani bedu porter. ECG because akokra company ko clear. O akokwa na aka no any expertise in port operations. You clearly see say a syndicated
planned something.
It's an NPP for starting on me as our flyers and make us say this is our problem. NPP near this no. Asamoba the merit of the case you near the at all. How can any sensible person believe say NDC buy ya 3 months and containers na yara?
I was surprised when Afenyomakin was saying that this time around, the air cost, but when it started, you didn't even talk at Parliament.
That is how I always call for candor in our politics. Young kind of credential, I hope one day I do my kind of promises and PwC, Price Waterhouse Coopers, say your debt on ECG.
Right.
No sensible person should politicize these things. I hope ECG to me and that declare on revenue to the tune of 5.3 billion cedis.
This cannot come out.
Who said to date? ECG, Oche PwC reports are about 21 metering systems. How can you monitor them? Yes, say meter ECG man, almost 21. How can you monitor such a system? To the point that ECG nankasa sika kudodo kwa no said the nimano. Akwa cash water for mechanism lecture say ECG sika yen koma we say Yenfa we emergency, yenfa we yet mean this because ECG nim ni sika no. Or sound declare. How do you politicize these matters? And the answer almost a civil servant and a public servant that would this anxious phone. Or go any dream. No question this name PPH. Almost on politics and almost be dear won't be beer on Bajamo. You see the problem? How do you politicize these matters?
Because Eugene, because 2022 for instance, Omo ECG atnase board ni other leadership atnase ya oma plans ya budget ya beto noma ye be procure noma up to this tune amount execution ne cost no na a change
in fact 2023
na yes amount
to take John Jinapa on parliamentary hands adna say na mebo 2023 CG Council be procure nema 900 million
935 million
owie no apono atone 8.3 billion akokwati private person. You see, it's not make us say, and come on, how people know when this is something to turn and time. Edumekunes one, yes, one cotoniama 950 what? 3 million
53 million.
We in 1 year no. Watoniama 8.3 billion.
How many percentage points?
Nipa managing director. Our board chairman, our director of procurement, our manager and the director of real estate in there.
That's over 8.
Why are we not calling these people? Why are you not prosecuting them? I got one in your mind, meaning that ECG spent almost 7.3 billion more. Now, the meaning of this. The meaning of this is say, baby, no. Yes, maybe no, your tariff na yetiano. Prepaid in this. It's ever been can you fend to Sakan. 2023 points, I imagine so the year biano. Or sitting the buyer by even never saw the rough mass. By even 2 billion. In 8 years, and 16 billion.
Sure.
Why are we going to get the money to pay this? Now, name on the crab buy and they improve the lines, or they improve the distribution network of our country. Can you money support? But if not confirm name by yet, you are a casa wonko. How do we do this? Near say, try one Vianney mano. No, my question people near this year, politicians who be a dear winter. Now, I can't go for no. It's more Motiasian. This is the state. Let's say what person of CCG. The rot at ECG. Read the PwC. Just Google PwC report ECG. Scribe.com.
Sure.
The corruption. Minister. The Chief Justice.
Right.
My Mr. Starting to say